slash born again hooligan youth next unicorn pop culture scientist. We're back for yet another explosive installment of Straight Up and Down here on channel 260. And you know, almost always by 3, but today we don't have Malky D, aka the Lord number, and he'll be back next time when we shooting. He'll be back. He's just sorting out some stuff. But don't despair. I got my boy, my homeboy, Kumkani Kunda. What's up?
Yeah, what's up? Yo, it's your boy, Kumkani Kunda, aka Kumkani Wonka Mapele. Yes, back at it again. Back at it again. This is Straight Up and Down on a Friday night, 7:30. Yes, get it.
How are you feeling, bruh? Especially during this pandemic, COVID-19. How are you feeling? Are you feeling good?
I'm all good, man. I'm all good.
Nice,
you can still cough in peace.
You wear your mask, you sanitize, and you isolate. You keep social distance. Yeah, that's what's up.
The sanitizer bottle.
That's what's up. Yo, bro, let's get into it today. Mosi, as always, Malky D gives us mathematics of the day, but Malky D is not here. Yeah. If I do it myself, it's not gonna be the same. So let's just wait up until he comes back so he can give us mathematics of the day. Tina, let's get straight into it. Word on the street. What are the streets saying on your side?
You already know, man. The streets are always talking, man. The streets are crazy. Yeah, Chippa Mpengesi is at it again. Siamazmos is very infamous about Ilanduka, uchincha staff sake, coaching staff sake. Once again, Pino Akasha new coach. For 3 years. Come on. So I asked 3 years got Chippa United. You're finding out 3 days la way. You have to pattern J phone you don't need to pay because I was husband na. So yes, abona ke ngokulanuka lishono losiyema about last day pana. He left Profunding Celtics for Chippa United. Wish him well, because Yamaza Chippa nation in Kansas. And what are the streets saying in your side, Nick?
Well, the streets on my side are angry at Mayor, say Cape Town or Ten Plateau, because Ten Plateau came out saying, remember, there was an incident of a man who was evicted while he was naked.
Naked.
So he's saying no. He let it dangle. So he's saying, the mayor is saying no, the whole thing was staged because homeboy Ubulelani Loa he allegedly saw those people coming and he decided to get inside his shack and undress so that he can cause a scene. So abantu are angry because that does not justify the way that guy was treated. He was treated like an animal, like a person who does not have any rights. They have violated his human rights and dignity, bro. So that was my word on the streets.
Yeah, I mean, it's crazy though. Even if it was staged, so they just fell into the trap. So they asked Babazo, law enforcement.
Yeah. Bruh, if it was me, I would sue everyone. I'm suing the mayor, I'm suing the city of Cape Town, I'm suing the dog of the mayor. I'm suing everyone on my direction.
Gotta get that guap.
Yeah, man. This is a very interesting topic that I want us to discuss, especially for someone that who is in love and you always claim to be the love guru. So I have this question for you and our audience at home. Is there something such as unconditional love, or should I say, is unconditional love a false concept?
I would say unconditional love. I don't do it false, because at this particular stage of my life, I found someone that I can actually share stuff with, that I love her the way that she loves me.
Okay.
So I would say that we have a bond that is unbreakable, because sometimes there are challenges, but then we overcome as a challenge. We talk about them, see make grand instead of wrong or overreact and stuff. we sihlala phansi and talk about it. Uba bendiyimo wrong, I apologize, man, you know. Because this is sometimes as a young man, very naive, ubanalani ba suka andikhalanga lona. So I would say too, relationship is like unconditional love.
But if you're saying that there's no conditions in your relationship, then why would she want to leave if you guys are having a fight, an argument? Because if it was unconditional, she was gonna stay. Isn't that so?
Yeah.
Because there's no conditions. I love you, regardless of whatever. I'm not gonna leave.
Yeah. Yeah.
When do you love it? Do you love it unconditionally as well?
Yeah, I would say I love her unconditionally now.
Nah. So do you think she would take you back if when you were to cheat on her with her best friend?
Man, I don't know. I really do not know Gapo. You know,
okay.
Best friend.
Okay, let me put it this way, because you cannot speak on her behalf. What about when? What if What if she cheats on you with your best friend? Would you still take her back and say that I love you unconditionally?
Man, that's where conditions are. Things are happy conditions. Because man, she can't go around sleeping with my best friend. Nigga, like that's crazy, man. I'll flip.
It's the same thing as Abandulawe that say that God loves you unconditionally. But at the end of the day, you believe in heaven and you believe in hell, right? So if you do good, you're gonna go to heaven. Then if you do not do good, you're gonna go to hell, right? Even though this person allegedly loves you unconditionally. How can you let someone that you love burn for eternity, but you love them unconditionally? On my side.
Nah, I get you, man. Okay, today I've learned something. There's no such thing as unconditional. There's no such thing as unconditional love, man. Yo, man. There's a thin line gap between ilanuka uthando olingena conditions nothando ole conditions. Yeah, now I'll say I would think people, if you are Zetu, they should go out there and let us know about the teen is on about. Do you think there is such thing as unconditional love? Is unconditional love a false concept?
Come and just get Solange Amans will be back after this, ladies and gentlemen.